Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, just go into settings and tap on accessibility features. Now you need to choose one-handed mode and click on this switcher if it's not already on to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. If you are using gesture navigation, you need to slide your finger across the bottom of the screen and hold. I'm using 3 keys, so I will go with that one. Slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, after tapping got it, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard size, just click on the blank area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!